Trying duo de chef for the first time. This is my first time trying Asian food, and apparently this is the best spot in Montreal. This looks amazing. First up, I got their griot poutine. Just look at that. The griot is nice and tender and beautifully fried. And you know I love that meat. I really like the fattier portions of the meat. Now what I'm most excited for, the mac and cheese gratiné. I even got some shrimps on there. Look at that beautiful crust on the outside. Oh, this is the one. Sauce is really good and there's a bit of grease, which I really enjoy. This shrimp looks oddly familiar. Beautifully grilled, can't complain there. The flavor is definitely there. I would definitely keep the shrimps. I could eat this mac forever. I'm not usually a big fan of mac and cheese, but this is definitely up there. Overall, the food was good. You can tell right away that everything was seasoned. I think the different ingredients really mix well together. I would love to come back again and try some of their even more traditional food. So for all my Asian people, let me know what dish I should try next. And as always, don't forget to like and follow for more.